Oh, it started it. Hello. It's recording.
Good.
I'm just trying to set the microphone. What are you doing anyhow? What are you up to?
Hi.
What's that?
Nilaga.
How do you say that?
Beef Nilaga.
Nilaga.
Yes.
Nilaga. Beef Nilaga. So it's a little bit like Bulalo, yeah?
Yes.
Tell me what's in there.
Beef chunk,
So
onions,
chunks of beef and onions,
peppercorn,
whole peppercorns,
and then bay leaves,
bay leaves, and obviously this cabbage is going in there in a minute.
cabbage, corn
Oh yeah, where's the corn?
inside,
Oh yeah.
saving some dishes,
Oh, the corn shrunk.
and potato.
Oh, and it's just spud in here too, is there?
Yes, spuds in there.
Oh, it's already in there.
So this go to the
Let's
bin
see.
or recycling.
What's that? Recycling.
Put the leaves in the spot.
Mum's outside doing gardening.
Taking a video of me, I haven't had.
Having what?
Haven't washed my face.
Oh my God, you got a dirty face. How can you be on camera with a dirty face? Welcome to Mum's kitchen.
Small kitchen.
What mischief are you up to? Oh, you're just stealing the dirt out of that to put it in there. You don't need your picture taken? I'm not taking pictures. So why did you wake me up at 8 o'clock this morning? Get your car keys. For why? Why did you need the car keys? You'd need them so you could go to gym. Yeah. Those bay leaves smell amazing. You've changed clothes.